10-9 for reals. So here's 10-9. We've already looked at our math notes box, and it says how many different four-person teams can be made if the order in which they bowl does not matter. So four-person teams, there's six people, and I need a four-person team, and the order doesn't matter. Which one do you guys want to use, permutations or combinations?
Let's use permutations. Oh.
Yeah. Why did you say combinations, Tiffany? Yeah, the order doesn't matter. So there's a little bit of difference between the formulas, remember? This one, you're going to get fewer combinations than you are permutations because of this extra little part here. So I'm going to just use my formula. I'm going to take the combination of 6 things taken 4 at a time. And so I see that I just have this little formula. So it looks like the n goes up here, and in my case n is 6. And then it looks like I got an n minus r factorial, so something minus something factorial. And then r factorial. Well, r is 4. And n minus r, that's 6 minus 4. So I'm going to go 6 factorial. I'm going to write it all out the first few times I do it, but then I'm just going to start canceling stuff on you, and you're going to have to follow my fraction math. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 factorial is 2 times 1, times 4 factorial, that's 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now notice how I don't really have to do any math. Look at this. See how they go away? And then see how 6 divided by 2 is 3. So I end up with 15. There's 15 different ways that I can make those teams. Can anyone verify that?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to just say there's 15 ways. And then that's for letter A. And then for letter B, it says, how many different bowling lineups of 4 players can be made if the order does matter? So what do I want to use this time, Alex? Permutations or combinations? The order matters this time.
Permutations.
Yeah. So I'm going to say P. Well, I'm going to use this thing. So now I've still got 6 people, and I'm still taking them 4 at a time. And then I'm going to go, so that's going to be 6 factorial. I'm going to do this one a little shorter this time. And then I'm going to go n minus r, so that's 6 minus 4 is 2. Now watch how I do this a little easier. I'm just going to count 6 times 5 times 4 times 3, and then I'm not going to write the 2 times 1 because I know it's going to cancel out with this 2 times 1. You guys are looking at me. Okay, I'll write it. And then down here, this is 2 times 1, but I didn't feel like writing it. I felt lazy. So then it's going to go away. And then you can decide if you want to use your calculator or not. I can probably do this in my head because 6 times 5 is 30, and 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 times 3 is 36. Add a 0, it's 360. So see the big difference between if the order that the bowlers go in the lineup matters, there's 360 different ways. But if you're just putting them in little groups of 4, there's only 15 ways that you can group them.